Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to display username that has completed order in admin order list in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WooCommerce order. Now you see all order. So we are going to display username that has completed order. So we are going to add custom code, and then you see order status, cancel, failed, completed, but that code not work for current completed order status. So when we add code, after that order status will be completed, then they will show username. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, and then you see add snippet, so click on it, and then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So we are going to display username that has completed order status, and this code is not working for previous completed order status. And then scroll down, you see completed by. So this is our column name, so you can add column name according to your requirement. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to order section and refresh the page, and then scroll down, you see new column created, completed by, and then you see multiple order status. Now you see completed order status, but you don't see any username. So we are going to complete order status now. Now open any order, and then you see status processing. Now select and then click on completed, click on update. Now order status completed. Now go to order section. Now you see this is our previous completed order status, so we change this order status to completed. Now refresh the page, and then you see two order status completed. So this is our previous order status, you don't see any username. And then you see another order status completed, but you see username. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.